Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this Xiaomi. Begin by opening settings. Now scroll down and tap on Themes section. Then click on Themes at the bottom left corner. After that, you can select one of the popular ones by choosing More next to Popular Themes. You can also go back, click on the search bar at the top and type in wherever you wish to. Like magic! Now tap on the best theme for you. I will go with this one. Select Download at the bottom. Wait a bit and tap on Apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my smartphone has changed. If you wish to go back to your default theme, access the same settings, click on Profile at the bottom right corner, and tap on Themes under Favorites. Now tap on Classic or Limitless. Then select Apply and wait again. You can also select one of the available themes. I will go with this one. Click on Customize next to Apply and Favorites and manage all of those options. For example, I want to disable lock screen wallpaper, so I have to click on this dot, choose Apply and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!